With so many CBD products on the market, choosing the right CBD product to fit your needs can be a little overwhelming, right? You can probably even say that the excessive production and the variety of CBD products are even confusing. And choosing the right CBD product can even be a little bit daunting if you do not know what factors to consider if this is your first time purchasing. So in this video, we'll share 9 tips to help you choose the right CBD product for your needs. So let's get this started. So number 1, check the labels for the ingredients used in the product. A quality CBD brand displays the label of ingredients included in the product. So go through all the ingredients and check that it doesn't contain any harmful or addictive substances that may have a few side effects. Examples of these ingredients that may be harmful are compounds called 5-FADB, dextromethorphan, or excessively high levels of THC. Also opt for a company with more organic ingredients in its products. Avoid products that include synthetic ingredients and chemicals such as parabens, artificial colors, or thickeners such as vitamin E acetate, also known as tosylferroacetate. I hope I got that right. If you're purchasing CBD oil, ensure it includes a quality carrier oil to preserve and stabilize the CBD product. Typically, MCT or medium chain triglycerides are one of the best carrier oils. It digests quickly and quality CBD brands include it as the base oil. Alright, so let's get to number 2. Identify the right CBD potency. The potency of CBD depends entirely on your preferences. If you feel that a certain CBD product has a little to no effect on you, you may want to opt for a more potent CBD product. Generally, a product containing 50 milligrams of CBD per 1 milliliter is considered potent. Such a product will work faster to improve your condition. However, if you're trying out a CBD product for the first time, we recommend you kind of go with a low potency, start off small, and then go higher as you adjust to your preference. Okay, so number 3, check for the THC concentration. It's crucial to know about the THC concentration when purchasing a CBD product. A product with more THC will undoubtedly get you high and may have worse side effects. The good news is quality CBD brands do not have high amounts of THC. Why? Because hemp-derived CBD products with less than 0.3% THC are made legal by the FDA at the federal level. Hence, an authentic CBD brand will not have more THC than what's allowed by federal law. Though the legal laws vary per state, a CBD product with 0.3% or lower THC is safe to consume. So make sure you check out the label to know the amount of THC in the product you're purchasing. Okay, so number 4, check whether hemp is sourced if possible. The quality of hemp indicates the quality of CBD products. Therefore, it's essential to know about the source of hemp. Authentic retailers offer information about where and how they grow hemp. You should also clarify the information about the farming process of hemp. Hemp grown to organic standards is free of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So, you check the label for organically grown hemp and go for a product accordingly. Number 5, check if the product is third-party tested. Third-party tests are indicative of whether or not the CBD product is pure. The product is exposed to several contaminants during the manufacturing process, some of which can make their way into the product. A CBD product tested in a third-party lab indicates a pure and quality product without the company's bias towards the product. It's what we do here at Envious Organics, right? We include a QR code on the back of the product label so our customers can check the third-party lab test result at any time. Number 6, check if the company you're planning to buy from offers customer support. Customer support is yet another thing to consider when purchasing a product from a CBD brand. It's best to go with a company that values your time as a customer and offers a solution in case you face any issue with the bought product. Hey, let's face it, even the biggest and most reliable companies out there experience issues from time to time, right? We get it. But what separates a good company from a mediocre one is its ability to solve whatever problem its customers might face. Doesn't matter if it's a logistics issue or you are receiving the wrong product or not receiving it. Having someone from the company to talk to is your best bet to solve any issue. All right, we're moving on to number 7. Read the company's return and refund policy. A refund or return policy goes hand in hand with customer support. On the one hand, it should be a no-brainer that any brand should offer the ability to refund a product if it's not to your liking. But you'll be surprised how many brands are out there that don't offer refunds at all once they've taken your payment. If you're unsatisfied with a product, a reputable brand will allow you to return it for a full refund, usually within 30 days of purchase. This isn't a matter of maybe the products are bad, therefore they offer a refund, but it's a matter of giving you, the customer, peace of mind that your purchase is safe and that you can get your money back if you ever feel that the product did not live up to your expectation. The refund policy is usually found in the frequently asked questions section or the footer section of a company's official website. However, the wording of such a policy is sometimes just full of legal jargon. So if you're still unsure about how a company's refund policy works, it's best to reach out to their customer support to clarify it for you. You can test how responsive their support team is too, so it's like catching two birds with one stone. Consider the type of CBD extract that best suits your needs. CBD extracts contain different types of CBD that you may not be familiar with if it's your first time buying. You must know the difference between them so you don't get confused by the cool sounding name of which a company might name its products. We created a video discussing the different types of CBD. We strongly recommend watching it so you can get a better understanding of each type. The link is in the description. But here's a quick comparison between each of them. Full spectrum products contain all cannabinoids found in the hemp plant, including THC. However, the THC content must not exceed 0.3%. Otherwise, it's not hemp-derived and therefore illegal as per federal regulations. Full spectrum CBD products have multiple other compounds in addition to CBD, and combining these compounds create an entourage effect, which is the enhanced effect in which CBD and the other compounds work synergistically. And in case you're wondering, 0.3% THC is not enough to get you high. On the other hand, broad spectrum CBD products also contain almost all cannabinoids found in the hemp plant except for THC. These include CBN, CBC, and terpenes like pinene, myrcene, or limonene. This allows you to experience the entourage effect without any of the risks that THC might bring, like failing your incoming drug test. If you want to learn more about how the entourage effect works, check out our other video discussing that topic. Again, the link is in the description. If you're looking for a THC-free CBD product, CBD Isolate is for you. As the name suggests, CBD Isolate contains pure CBD without any other compounds or terpenes. It's a perfect product to determine the effectiveness of CBD as it doesn't include other compounds. Nevertheless, studies indicate that CBD products containing other compounds may increase the effect of CBD. So tip number 9, consider the type of CBD product that best suits your needs. Would you like to massage a CBD cream on your body to ease discomfort, chew on a sweet gummy, or add a few drops of CBD oil to your salad? Let's explore the CBD products you can purchase. CBD oils typically contain glycerin or carrier oils as their base. Tinctures, on the other hand, contain an alcohol base. Yes, these have a few differences, but they serve the same purpose. If you like the taste of hemp, you can just go for the oil. If, however, you prefer flavorful products, tinctures will suit you better. You can just use a dropper to add these products to your morning tea, coffee, or even food and reap all the benefits of CBD. If you want to avoid the hassle of mixing your CBD products with food, capsules are the best for you. Generally, older people opt for gel capsules because they are just easy to consume. But they are also a good complement for young adults who are just quite busy throughout the day and are just always on the go. So the CBD gummies are packed with sweet, or sour flavors and include all the goodness of CBD. My personal favorite. You'll find plenty of CBD gummy flavors on the market. Typical flavors include lemon, strawberry, orange, and tropical. Gummies are best for beginners who want to try out CBD, as you can be sure that they'll taste flavorful. CBD topicals include creams, lotions, and salves. If your muscles and joints ache too frequently, you may want to go for a massage. Massaging a CBD salve can help ease your day-to-day discomfort. CBD creams and lotions, on the other hand, are often used to improve the appearance of the skin. Hey, I hope this video helped you pick out the right CBD products for you. For more videos like this, check out these videos. And also, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to help out our YouTube channel so we can reach more people like you. So see you at the next one. Peace.